winter storm warning in effect from 4 a.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 7 and 12 inches with locally higher amounts 12 to 14 inches along the south-facing slopes of the Adirondacks in Herkimer and Hamilton counties. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Hamilton, northern Fulton, and northern Herkimer counties. When? From 4 a.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Travel could be difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning and evening commutes. Additional details: heavy snowfall rates up to 1 to 2 inches per hour likely Wednesday morning through early afternoon. Upslope snow continues into the day on Thursday. Additional winter weather headlines may be needed. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. If you are going outside, watch your first few steps taken on stairs, sidewalks, and driveways. These surfaces could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. Here is the latest.
.1059 and 106.7. 104.3. .1019. 100.9. 99.9? What just happened? Shh, the knob stopped working. Shh.
Wind Cove Onset Beach joint.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a snow squall warning for southwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, eastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over 5 points, or near Newton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Newton, Hopatcong, Mount Arlington, Stanhope, Andover, Fort Brookville, Lake Mohawk, Wary Lake, Greenville, Millbrook, 5 Points, Crandon Lakes, and Eden Lake. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. For the following areas, in Connecticut, southern Fairfield, southern New Haven.